Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon also. Also share it with your friends so that they will also get the guidance every day. So this is pick a card, card 1 and card 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide as to which card you want to take. Okay, so card 1. Four of Swords, too much of workload. I don't take it as a danger here because that's what I feel, but too much of workload, too much of um, headache in terms of personal life and professional life. But I feel here professional life is more troubling you. But I would say one thing: sit diplomatically, think what has to be done, handle things practically, and logical thinking is needed here today for you. If you think logically and if you plan your day, there is a sword which is hidden down. Now that is more like a Brahmastra for you. And if you use that with proper thinking and planning, then what happens is your day will be in your control and you will be able to handle things the way you want and you will be satisfied that the day has gone really well. Today I would suggest if you can wear the color white for clarity, and also if you can start your day by having a banana, preferably a yellow banana if you can. That will bring in a little bit of a change in your day today. Your solar plexus will get balanced and white is the color which you need to wear. Also in the morning, carry some fruits, and on the way when you see someone, just donate the fruits to them. In turn, I'm sure the angels and the gods will bless you and they will give you the desired answers that you're searching for in terms of work. Now let's see what Baba is saying. I live Sai, I breathe Sai, I am Sai, I am Sai, I am Sai. So basically Baba is saying that practice his teachings. Main practice of his teachings is surrender to him and have patience, and he's going to make your day successful the way you want. So I repeat, start your day 21 times with I live Sai, I breathe Sai, I am Sai, I am Sai, and I am Sai. And I'm sure your day is going to be really super good. Now card 2. A bright and a beautiful day full of energies, lot of good things coming your way. I feel your work will be a success, personal life is also going good. I feel prosperity coming in, small financial gains coming in. You'll be happy seeing the small profits which maybe your shares or whatever you've invested is giving you, and it will make you happy that things are going the way you want it. Today wear the color light green so that you will get abundant energies and you will also keep balancing your energies accordingly and not get overconfident or not get over happy and end up doing something wrong. That's the reason I'm asking you to wear a light green. Let us see what Baba is saying. Just sigh, 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 sigh and sigh. Basically Baba is also saying just be strong and courageous, and whatever it is going to end up, the transformation is going to end up positively and things are going to be really positive. Today I would suggest, I want to pull one more card for you people, so I'm pulling one more card. Sai Sharanam, Hari Sharanam, Namo Sai Natham. I repeat, Sai Sharanam, Hari Sharanam, Namo Sai Natham. Say that also 21 times, and whenever you feel things are happening good and just a small magic is needed, then just call him, just tell him, Sai, please come and solve these issues for me. And I'm sure the day is going to be beautiful and bright for both of you all. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.